rolling the way down. Now breathe your air. You only can rescue me. This is my breath. If you were mine, if you were mine, I wouldn't want to go to heaven.
So when I get excited about human hair, I think you guys already know which company I'm talking about. It is Unice. I absolutely love Unice. Most of my human hair comes from them because of the three things that I'm always looking for human hair. Unice always knocks out of the park. The first thing is affordability. Very affordable units with different payment options. The second thing that I'm normally looking for, really it's the first, but the second thing I'm normally looking for is beginner friendly. Can I comb it? Can I style it? Because I can't comb hair, so it needs to be super easy. And the third thing that I'm always looking for is the quality. I can tell you off the rip that the quality of this wig is going to be nice because Unice has such good quality hair. So all I've done was take this out of its shipping packaging because you guys know I like to do everything on camera with you so I can be honest in my review. So I took it out of the shipping packaging, and we now know this iconic pink packaging that Unice has. I think that it is very, very pretty. Let me open up the box. Okay, inside of here, not only do we have the wig, we also have some extras that Unice includes. And some people, I feel like some companies just throw stuff in here so they can say they throw stuff in, and it's crap that we'll never use. Not Unice. They have included 2 packs of wig caps. They have included an edge band with their branding on it, and they have included an edge brush. Oh, this is new. It's dual headed, so it's a brush and a comb, but on this other side it has a place where you can add another attachment. So that's really, really cool, because if y'all saw how my edge brush looks right now, it's probably on the floor. Just disgusting. Let me see if I can find it. Look how beat up. Look how beat up mine is, y'all. So this I would actually use it, and I'm thinking I'm gonna switch to that. They also have a care card in here with some more information about their company. So if I'm reading right off of this packaging, this is a 7x5 Byebyeknots lace wig. It is 24 inches long, and it has some gorgeous bangs in it. I know I'm going to love this one. For more details, look down in the description box. I'll be sure to add them. Let me take this out of the packaging so we can look at the cap construction. Also included a package of wig tape, which is nice because I use this on all of my wigs. All right, let's look at this this wig, y'all. Okay, so first of all, check out these curls. Like I said, a wig, for me to like it, has to be beginner friendly because I cannot comb hair. If somebody pointed a weapon at me and said, make these curls or you about to exit, y'all would just have to go and send me the glory because I couldn't. Look at how they send this wig with these curls pre-done. So that's automatic check. Then go ahead and check out those layers that I can see that are already cut into this wig. Then if we come around to the front of the wig, it has already been plucked, tucked, all that stuff that you need. They even have a little roller in there because they've already done the bangs for you. This is what I mean when I say beginner friendly, and this is why Unice is my favorite company. If you look at that cap construction, you have that 7x5 parting space there. You have this band of adhesion going around the wig to make it lay flush to your head. You also have an extended comb in the back, and you have a glueless band that is also adjustable. Unice, this cap construction is just bomb.com. Okay, this is nice. What I'm going to do is put this wig on my head straight out of the pack before I, brush these curls out. And then I think I'm going to try to pull this up into like a ponytail, a messy tousle look. Give you a 360, and then I'll come back with my final thoughts. Be right back, you guys.
Now breathe your air. You only can rescue me. This is my breath.
All right, guys. So I'm back with my final thoughts. If you cannot tell, I'm in love. I'm back with my final thoughts on this wig from Unice, and y'all, this is why I love them so much. This wig literally came out like this. All I had to do was run a comb through it, and I put a claw clip in my head haphazardly just to pin some up to get that tousled look. And I am absolutely in love with this wig. Like I said, the 30 things I'm always looking for: affordability check. Like I said, the wig is affordable with tons of payment options. The quality of this, of course, check. They always are. But the beginner friendliness is what I'm always looking for, because again, because I can't comb hair, I'm looking for something that would give me this look without me having to do much, and Unice knocked this one out of the park. This is one that I definitely can recommend as we move into 2025. I have a feeling that at the end, I can say that and mean it. When it comes to December and it's time for me to upload my most favorite wigs of 2025, I can tell you that this wig will make my top human hair wigs. And like I said, we are only in what, January? Yes, I absolutely love this one, and I do recommend it. Talk to me in the comments. Tell me what y'all's thoughts are about these pre-done bangs. The curls are already done, everything pre-plucked. This is just an easy, cute, everyday wig that I think you will like if you can or cannot comb hair. I think that this is a winner. Until next time, y'all, will be very soon. Bye, guys.
Not breathe your air. You only can rescue.